Good morning, children. Myself, sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhaoni Betia. So, it is class 8 and lesson number 2. And the name of the lesson is The Narayanpur Incident, written by Shashi Deshpande. So, before proceeding further, let us come to know something about the authoress. So, the Narayanpur Incident, written by Shashi Deshpande, and Shashi Deshpande is an Indian novelist, and she is a very proclaimed writer. She has won the Sahitya Academy Award for her novel That Long Silence in the year 1990, and later on she was also given Padma Shri Award by the Government of India in the year 2009 for her contribution to literature. So we see that she is a very good Indian novelist. Now we see that this story is set in the background of Quit India movement. So let us know something about Quit India movement. It is also written here. So 8 August 1942, the Quit India movement begins. So it is also known as August Revolution in India. So, and starting date is 8th August 1942. This movement was Quit India movement. In Hindi it is called Bharat Chhoro Andolan. So, Quit India movement or Bharat Chhoro Andolan was called for by Mahatma Gandhi, and it became very successful. So, in this background, this story is set. The Quit India movement has begun. Babu and Manju suddenly find themselves part of all this when their schools closed down and their father is put behind bars. Put behind bars means put in jail. So we see a situation when on the first day of Quit India movement, the school is closed down and the father in question, he is also put in jail. Certainly he was an activist. So their brother Mohan becomes involved in the movement, and the rest of the family moves to the small town of Narayanpur. So after the father is put in jail, the family moves to another small town of Narayanpur, but again from there Mohan, who is the eldest brother as such of Babu and Manju, he is an active participant in that movement. So let us see. But now Mohan has turned up in Narayanpur with his friend Suman, and the Quit India movement has gained momentum. Gained momentum means gathered more supporters and became more active and more popular. So the situation is that Quit India movement, even in a small town like that of Narayanpur, it has become more popular, more active there. Babu decides to watch a procession that Mohan is taking part in and takes Manju with him. So the situation is that Mohan is a participant in that procession, and he has told his brothers and sisters that it is a peaceful process and you can watch it. Rather, he is inviting them to watch the procession. The mother does not know about the plans, so the children leave the kid to their house with their neighbor Ramabai. So the mother is not aware of any program as such, not aware that her children are going to watch the procession. So let us, and with that background the story starts. So let us see the text. Now said Manju impatiently, tell me where we are going. Manju, who is a sister here, she is asking from his brother regarding where we are going. To watch a procession. Walk fast, we may be late. So Babu, who is the brother here, he is telling that we are going to watch a procession and let us move fast, otherwise it may become late. What procession? Whose procession? Where? Manju has a lot of queries and questions about that. So she is asking what procession, whose procession, where of procession. You sound just like Ramabai, said Babu. Did she give you a quick lesson? So Babu is annoyed with the quick questioning, and he is saying that perhaps we have learned something from Ramabai, who is also a frequent asker. He is also who is also asking a lot of questions. So Babu is making a comment. Oh, be quiet about Ramabai, tell me what procession. So the sister is saying that there is no need to talk about Ramabai. Only I want to know about the procession, where we are going and what kind of procession we are going to watch as such. The college students are taking out a procession from their college to the collector's office. Mohan told me we could watch. He said it is going to be peaceful. So Babu is telling about the nature of the procession and saying that it is a procession being led by or being organized by the college students, and their destination, the destination of the procession is up to collector's office. So procession of college students, they are going to collector's office, they have certain demands, and the procession is a peaceful one. So we can, Mohan is also a participant in that. So Mohan is saying that it is a peaceful procession, it is going to be a peaceful procession, and everyone could watch it. So the nature of the question as to what procession, whose procession, where procession is answered here, that it is a procession led by college students, and the procession will go up to the collector's office, and there they will have some demands there. They will give some written piece of papers there containing their demands, and it is all peaceful, it could be watched. So Mohan, who is a participant in that, he has invited his brothers and sisters to be a part of that as an observers. So in this video we are dealing with up to this part of the story only. In next video we will proceed further. Till then, thank you.